The making of meals is a special kind of magic. My name is Misty Stiers, and I'm the author of Light, Fire, and Abundance, a cookbook coming out this fall. In it, I hope to provide recipes from the simple to the more involved that help you be more intentional in your kitchen. I see all the articles and all the books, all the memes about self-care, things that some days I just don't have time for. But I know that every day I will make at least one meal. Maybe out of a can or a box, maybe out of a well-stocked pantry. Maybe in 15 minutes, maybe in hours. But I can use that time to breathe deep, to be present, and to make conscious choices about what I hope for those that I'm feeding, and make a meal that helps feed their soul. Every meal we make is a way for us to not just feed ourselves, but feed our dreams, our hopes, to remember that while we're making these meals, sometimes those smells, the act of making it, the consumption of it becomes so much more. They become memories. I hope that they inspire you to go find your magic.